Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Comfort Cooking with Jaswin. Today I am going to make very quick and easy breakfast recipe just in 10 minutes without needing a dough. This recipe is very yummy that you will cook it again and again. It is very simple and incredibly delicious. If you follow all the steps of this recipe, it will be just as tasty and beautiful. Without wasting any time, let's start it.